Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me today. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. We do this every Thursday and Sunday. You should probably hit that like and subscribe button because I said so. That's like the best reason I have right there. That's it. I was gifted a 3-month subscription for Birchbox because I'm very hesitant on it. It was a little bit pricier than my Ipsy, but it's the same concept basically for me. So I was like, why am I gonna pay more for the same stuff, you know? But I feel like the stuff I'm getting in here is a little bit more high-end, if that makes sense. We'll see if it continues. We're gonna go ahead and open this today and see what I got. BT dubs, it's the month of April, my birthday month, or so I'm reminded. And of course, to open this box, you have to pull all the things from all of the overs. Ooh. Oh. Okay, this, let me get this off my arm real quick. This month is a silicone-y thing and some stuff. Stasher sandwich pineapple. Is there a card that comes with this? Because I'm pretty sure. Yep. Okay, we got some cards. Let me. I get a cup. Technical difficulties. I found the card before we jump too far ahead and further my confusion. Let's look at this card. Of course, how great these things are. It comes with a little card every month, tells you a little bit about the theme of the box and the items you're receiving in the box as well. Ipsy, you should learn a thing or two from Birchbox. Just throwing it out there. Anyhoozle. For this month, oh, is this like a themed, is this a, no, well, It says Birchbox times Stasher, which is on the name of this little silicone-y rubbery thing, container, I don't know. So it says super casual spring clean challenge. No one has time for a full spring clean. Yeah, I do. So we're focusing on our beauty stuff and more drawer. Oh, I have a whole room dedicated to that. And truth be told, this is going to be the last on my cleaning list. Alright, so how to get started. You're going to take everything out, split it into piles, what to keep, donate, to be determined, and then arrange it to your liking. A pro tip, my new Stasher bag works wonders when it comes to drawer organizing, and so do empty Birchboxes from months past. Yes, it does. Happy spring. Hashtag Birchbox. Since this is this not part of, is it, hold on. How many, so, okay. I'm a little confused because I assume since this one came here and this is like your cute little card that comes with it, I assume this is one of the products, but looking here on the back of my card, it is not. That is pretty cool. So I got an extra little bonus thing. Oh, thank you, Birchbox. That was nice of you. How to use your Stasher bag. Stasher Birchbox. Bags are endlessly reusable, silicone alternative to single-use plastic. That's cool. I like stuff like that. So you can use a microwave, stovetop safe. No. I'm not putting homeboy here on the stovetop. You're bananas. Freezer friendly, dishwasher safe, oven strong, sous vide ready. So you can wash in the dishwasher, warm soapy water. Avoid turning the bag inside out. Leave the seal partially open for microwave or oven use. Keep temperatures at 400 degrees or below. And avoid sharp objects. Oh, okay. Wow. Pineapple. So this is the colors. That's pretty neat. Oh. That is hella cute. Did you see this? I know you saw me playing with it. This has a lot of room. I mean, it fits my little baby hand in here, but it has a lot of room. And then it seals pretty good up at the top. You kind of just pinch it like you do your little, not Ziploc, the other bags, whatever. And it's pretty tightly closed, which is pretty cool. Oh God, please open. I sealed it. Sealed it for good. Oh no. How do I open it? Okay. Whew. That was a struggle. Okay. So you can tell by my trial and extreme error, these are really good and safe to keep closed. I'm gonna put this in here so I know what it is until I use it and I can remember it. And that is neat. Not even part of Birchbox. It's just a little added extra. That is so cool. Wow. These lashes are something else. I got eyelash extensions for the first time ever in my whole entire life, and they look beautiful. Take so much time like out of my day to get ready, and I feel like 100 times more ready and beautiful, but it's taken a minute to get used to them, I'll tell you what. All right, on to the items I got in my Birch bag this month. The first thing is called Arrow. It is a radiant skin moisturizer. It is woman founded, clean and exclusive. Hey, little fella. Aww, little. So what are you? I've never heard of you. It's a lightweight moisturizer, subtle sheen to illuminate your skin, and hyaluronic acid and aloe to hydrate and smooth. Use in the morning alone or under makeup. And the packaging is really cute too. I'm a sucker for like anything matte, but then you throw some lilac or purple in there and you have my attention. That is cute. Radiant Skin Moisturizer. I've never heard of this brand, but it is vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free, mineral oil-free. Okay. Can I smell you? Sealed. I wonder what you smell like. I may have to try that. I mean, I'm gonna try it, but have you tried anything from them? Let me know if you've tried anything from that brand. I've never even heard of them, but their packaging looks adorbs. I gotta say that. The next thing is from Grayson Stella. It is a rose water facial mist. It is clean and the first time sampling. Is that you? Yes, gotcha. Oh, and we are packaged to the nines, but okay, you know, Earth Month, whatever. More packaging the merrier. Okay. It's a calming rose spray that helps hydrate skin, reduce redness, and maintain the skin's pH balance. Take the spray 10 to 12 inches from your face whenever you need to refresh. Once finished, reuse the spray bottle with any of your favorite spray products. If I could open it. Cool. Cute packaging though, aside from all the packaging for a tiny little. Aww. It tells me when I open it. Good choice. I know. Ooh. That's cute. I'm not a huge fan of the smell of rose, but I have a little bit of makeup on now, so I want to see. It's a nice mist. Yeah, it's pretty rosy. Ooh, that was like my whole face in one spray, sir. Ma'am. Damn. Okay. That's actually a pretty nice feeling. Thank you, Grayson Stella. I think I've heard of them. I'm not 100%. I don't think so. I don't know. The next item is Magnatone London WIPEOUT Swipes Eco-Friendly Makeup Remover Pads. Clean and the first time sampling. Cool. What's these little guys? That's tiny. Well, I mean, it's lightweight, I should say, not tiny. I mean, it's a pretty good size, but cool. Magnatone London. I've never heard of you at all. Like, this whole box might be. I've never heard of it, so that's cool. Eco-friendly microfiber makeup removal pads. Removes makeup with just what? Oh my goodness. Look at these. Oh, shut the front. They are like so soft. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh, wow. Wow. I just want to touch them. I just want to touch. Oh, we got some fuzzies flying off. That's okay. These are so super freaking soft. Wow. And it's like the whole ziggity zag. We got a pink and a gray, but that's cute. And these you just, so kind of like the makeup erasers I have, you just add water and go to town. Warm water only, no cleansers or chemicals needed. It's eco-friendly. Grab and hold microfibers, reusable up to 1,000 times, like 1,000 exactly or approximately 1,000. Quick drying, so it's perfect for travel, smear proof, and double-sided. Magnatone London. Hi, hello, and yeah, we're gonna be looking into this because this is cute. Thank you. I love stuff. I just bought a few of these for my bathroom. Like instead of the cotton rounds, I have the eco ones, and I've been using them and I love them because I can use them, put them in the laundry, and then bam, they're back in my bathroom the next week. It's pretty cool. I like it, at least. That's really neat. How have I never heard of that? Like, I mean, I guess it's still like a new concept for a lot of things to be eco-friendly, reusable, but that's pretty cool. The next item is REFILL. It's refillable beauty balm. It is clean, exclusive, and first time sampling for Birchbox. And I'm assuming, so hold on, a beauty balm. It's not just a lip balm. This is your multi-use balm for anything, plus it's refillable. That was the question I had, because I was like, this is pretty big for a chapstick or a lip balm. So I was like, did I read that wrong? And I did. It's not a lip balm, it's a beauty balm. Cool. It's made with a blend of natural oils, hyaluronic acid, I'm just gonna open it. Ooh. Oh, we smell hella earthy and like uber calm. Oh wow, it smells really nice. I like it. And you can just put this all over. It's very calming, not gonna lie. Do you say like what scent, smell, flavor you are? No? That's okay. You're refillable though? How? I have questions. I've never had a... okay. Okay. So this is the whole thing. So I imagine you just... Oh, that's soft. I'm not going to do it now because I'm not done with it. But that is a neat concept. I've never known anything like this to be refillable. We're changing the game here today. Cheese and okay. Well, I'm shocked. The last thing we have here, it is VITAMASQUES Detox Leafy Green Sustainable Sheet Masks. Are you full size? I don't know. It says this is a biodegradable sheet mask that detoxifies and purifies pores in one use. This is it. Oh wow, really nice packaging. It's very waxy, so it does give that earth friendly vibe as far as the feels go. That's pretty cute. So are you the full size item for $5 or no? It's the biodegradable sheet mask and eco pouch, so yeah, good stuff. It's made with kale, spinach, celery, green tea, willow bark, charcoal, and glutathione. I'm not hella big into these sheet masks. I'm more into like the gel goopy masks, whatever, but I can try it. clean my face, put the mask on for 20 minutes, massage into skin. Okay, that's cool. I think I can do that. And you know what? I just noticed we didn't get a Birchbox this month. We got this little cutie here, the, what are you? The Stasher. Just to recap here. Sheet mask. This, the Beauty Balm, all over Beauty Balm. Isn't it gonna be really hard to like show you everything, but that's okay. Then we got the Magnatone London Wipeout wipes. These cute little reusable makeup removers. Shove that in here. Like, is this aesthetically pleasing for everyone? Are we all getting a good view of things? Then we got the Grayson Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. It's a hydrating facial spray. Put that in here. Over here. Okay. You're not going to be able to see everything anyway. Oh well. And then the last item is the Aero Radiant Skin Moisturizer. Really cute packaging. Again. Okay. And that's everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I really want to count the bag as 6, even though it's not on my cute little card here. I think it's really adorable, and I love that they switched that out, because April is, well, it's the month that Earth Day is in, but I think I've seen a lot of things change it to Earth Month. So we're really gonna hype up the whole Earth and eco and clean and reusable, all that good Earth stuff this month, which is pretty cool. I like that. I think that's really great. This is my Birchbox for the month of April. I am really enjoying this. I think this is a really neat box. I don't know if everybody else got the same stuff or what, but it's pretty dope. I like. Meet me back here next time. We do this every Thursday and Sunday, and I still really like this stuff. Throwing it out there. Bye.